Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can fix one more problem of Instagram that goes like, sorry, there was a problem with your request on Instagram. Let us start with some basic tricks. In the first method, you have to clear your Instagram caches. For that, long press on your Instagram app, click on eye icon, scroll down to storage and caches. Click on clear caches option here. Close this and open your Instagram app and check if the problem still persists. If it does, then what you can do is log out of your Instagram account by clicking on the profile icon. Go to menu bar, click on settings, scroll down to log out of your account here. If you want Instagram to remember your information, then click on remember. If you don't, then click on not now. And after this, you can log out of your account, and after waiting for several minutes, log in back to your Instagram account. Check if the problem is there or not. You can also try uninstalling your app and reinstalling it again. As we all know, these methods are basic, but let us head to the main method. Mostly this problem is caused when you have turned on your two-step verification. So let us turn this off. For this, open Google Chrome, click on search option, write Instagram. You have to write website as well. Now search Instagram website, click on login Instagram. You have to log into Instagram website. For that, click on the profile icon at the bottom. Click on setting option. Scroll down to privacy and security. Under two-factor authentication, you'll see an option written in blue which is edit two-factor authentication setting. Click on it. After clicking on this, if your two-step authentication is on, then make it off. As you can see, it is not on in my phone, so I need not to turn it off, but if you have on it in your phone, then make sure you turn it off. So after doing this, you can close this website of Instagram and head to Instagram app and check if your problem still continues. There are chances that your problem will get solved. These were the methods with the help of which you can solve Instagram error. Apart from that, if you have any question, you can ask that in the comment section. Thank you so much.